Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. If you're new, today in the lab we're going to be doing a Sephora haul. So, I purchased a few things from Sephora and I'm super excited to try some of these products out. I have been trying products off camera and everything like that, so I may mention them here, but if you guys want me to do a review on them, then please let me know down below, but I'll mention it here. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll definitely appreciate it. Thumbs up if you like beauty hauls, Sephora hauls, Ulta, any makeup haul, fashion haul, things like that. That'll let me know if you like hauls in general by going ahead and place that thumbs up. But yeah, without further ado, if you want to see what I just purchased from Sephora, then keep on watching. It's closer to the holidays, and Sephora, of course, is starting to bring out some of these holiday collections, what the different brands are that are inside of Sephora, and even the Sephora collection is bringing out a collection. So I'm going to show you this one first because I'm so excited for it, and it was only $28, y'all. I wore one of the colors already today. I just got this stuff like literally yesterday, and I already wore one of the colors. And I'm gonna try to swatch these for you and let you see. But this is the Sephora Cream Lip Stain Collection, and you get three free cream lip stains in this set. So really you get 3. But you get 6 of them for $28, and I thought that was really cute. It's their holiday packaging. This is the one that I had on today that goes in the middle. And they're all so pretty. So you get 2 metallics. Let me make sure I'm reading that correctly. 4 mattes and 2 metallics. Alright, so this one is 01. It's like this really bright, hot, like fire red. And I love these. They're so pretty. So I'm going to do that here. The next one is 72, and I will swatch them and then I'll show you them side by side. I cannot wait to wear this 72. It's like this nude color. The next one is number 41. This one's like a mauvey taupey color. Oh my gosh, so pretty. This one I had on today is the number 14. It's like this purpley shade, and I don't have any makeup wipes, of course. This first metallic one is number 109. It's like this champagne, like rosy gold one, which I think would be really nice with like a brown lip liner with a gloss on top for the holidays. And then the last one is this holiday metallic red, number 64. But all of these colors I would certainly wear, so I didn't even like, you know how sometimes you can find like kits and collections and you'll be like, I only wanted the 2 colors out of there. This one I'll definitely wear all of them, all 6 of them. This metallic one, to give you a bit of an idea, if you're interested in getting this set and you're like, oh my gosh, I'm never going to wear that champagne one, you can use this as an eyeshadow. I would try to use it as an eyeshadow. So that's just a little tip out that I'm throwing out there. But these colors are gorgeous, and I will wear all these colors. So super excited about this. And like I said, it was only retail for $28. This is one of the Sephora collection holiday gift sets for lippies. If you love lippies, this is perfect to gift to someone. If they love lipsticks like I do, you can definitely give them this. It must be in my purse, but this is the box. This is the YSL Black Opium All Day Parfum Intense. This is the Intense one, and it looks like this. This one is really like a soft vanilla, just really soft vanilla, but yet intense. Like, it just smells so refreshing and so mature. For some reason I like the Intense one better than the original YSL Black Opium, but the original Black Opium is a little bit more sweeter. This one is not that. This is not a sweet. It's not as sweet as that, like a fruity sweet. This one is more of a, like I said, fresh vanilla sweet. But really intense, and like I said, very seductive and really sexy and chic and just grown woman. So I really like this one, and I got this is a spray, but it's in a rollerball type of set, like travel thing, but it doesn't have a ball on it. It's actual spray, so I love that. So this one I got. I also wanted to try this gloss. I have been trying not to like get into the whole buying of the Fenty stuff, but this one is pretty old. I just haven't tried it yet, and I need a lip gloss to pop in my purse. My Fenty Balm one is gone, so I was like, you know what, let me try this one. This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm, and is in the shade Hint Hint, and it looks like this. and it has the doe foot applicator on it, so I'm excited to try this out, especially having the doe foot applicator. A lot of the lip balms and stuff that I use, either I have to put my finger in, I don't like that too much. By Fresh, I love the scents of those, but I don't like to have to keep putting my fingers in it, so this is going to be perfect to throw in my bag and just have a lip gloss in my purse, so I'm excited about that. I also picked up another Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara because this is my favorite mascara. The wand is so amazing. I can get in my inner corner on my bottom lash line. I can add as many coats as I want, and it feels like I have nothing on my eyes. It doesn't crunch them. It doesn't make them look all crazy, and it just gets everything. It just gets everything. I love this mascara. I'm not going to open it because I don't want to put air to it, but I've talked about this on my channel before. I also did a review on it in an older video. If I find that, I'll link that down below. But yeah, purchase my favorite mascara. And then I love these lashes. These are the Sephora Collection Dramatic Volume Craze number 35 lashes. They look like this. So they're really like fluffy and just give you a lot of volume. So I love that about these. So I'm excited about these. Next, I got an Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I really like this with my Urban Decay, since I have it near me, with my Urban Decay the new Stay Naked foundation. If you haven't seen my life update and where I've been video, then you're missing out. But I did use that in that video. If you guys want me to do a thorough review on it, then let me know down below. But I love using the All Nighter spray with Urban Decay's products. So got that. I also got some Huda Beauty lashes. These are like some little half ones in the style Camille number 16. They look like this. I got those. I like putting those on sometimes when I don't want to do a full lash. The lashes that I'm wearing right now are by Poshychic. You guys know I talk about this brand all the time. She is a friend of mine, and she has these lashes on her site. I will link her site and her Instagram down below in the description box, so definitely check those out. She's always having sales on her lashes, so you definitely want to check those out if you're into like cute, natural but dramatic and, you know, flirty type of lashes. Then definitely check out the link down below and her Instagram page. I also picked up my favorite brow pencil of all time. I go through these pencils like crazy. This is the Benefit Precisely Brow Pencil, and I'm in the shade number 4. I have that. There's not really much to talk about that, but I love how precise it is. I used it for my brows today, and I need to get my brows done, and it still gives you nice precision. So I love that. I also picked up a Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. I'm excited I got this because this stuff right here actually removes like that stubborn eye makeup. So I really like using this for that. I also have that makeup remover like towel. That's been really like amazing me, like some type of magic or something. Like what? It really removes all your makeup, but I like to of course go behind it with my skincare routine and my cleansers and exfoliate when I need to for that week and things like that. But this particular Soy Face Cleanser definitely gets off that stubborn mascara, that stubborn eyeliner, and you're good to go without your eyes being irritable or being red or anything like that. It's just really gentle on the skin while leaving your skin fresh and refreshed. So that is that. I also have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation, and I'm in the shade 360C. At least that's what it was when I swatched it in the store. I really like this packaging. It's super sleek. I like that it has a pump. If you guys want me to do a review on this, then definitely let me know. The new ABH Luminous Foundation. Excited to try that. I'm probably going to try this stuff out anyway. I picked up this little bottle of Lila B a glow face mist. I love a face mist that's going to give you a glow, so I have this little bottle to try out. I can't wait to try this with some foundations, but I'm probably going to try out these products in another video, but let me know down below if you guys are interested. Last but not least, I have a Hourglass brow micro sculpting pencil in the shade Dark Brunette. This is the Arch Hourglass pencil. I've heard some good things about it. I don't know if it's gonna, I'm not sure if it's gonna beat my Precisely brow pencil, but this is that pencil, and I'm excited to try this. It's super sleek and precise like my Benefit brow. So Benefit brow is a little bit thicker. Let's see, this Benefit one is 0.002 ounces, and the Hourglass one is 0.001 ounces. So you get just a little bit more in the Benefit packaging than you would in the Hourglass. But nevertheless, I'm excited to try this pencil out and see if it's going to give me that precise brow, like my Precisely Brow Pencil by Benefit. So the product that I've been liking lately and that I've been trying and I've been using like crazy, the packaging is the only thing that bothers me because it'll definitely get dirty, but this is the new Milk Makeup foundation stick, and I got it in the shade Praline, which is perfect for me in the summer, but now that we're going into these fall and winter months, I'm gonna have to switch my shade. But this is what it looks like. It's super creamy. Super creamy. It doesn't like slide off the face. Like, look how dark this is. But this is how it was this summer. But it's super soft and just smooth on the skin. Very natural. You can apply this with your fingers, a brush, or a sponge, whichever is your preference. And it doesn't give you like that cakey look. It still looks like your skin, but better. And I like the finish of it. And you guys, typically I don't like foundation sticks, but this one is really good. It's a natural finish. You look really hydrated, really glowy. And so I love that about this stick. And like I said, it's very lightweight. I'm all about lightweight feelings, and the texture is really smooth, really satiny. So if you're looking for a new like everyday natural type of foundation, definitely check out the Milk Makeup one. And then last but not least, I have the Jackie Aina palette. I had this palette for a while and I still want to do a makeup look on it. So shout out to Jackie Aina for bringing this palette out. And I'm super excited to try it. I have not even swatched it or touched it or nothing, but I love the packaging. Super cute. It's definitely a Jackie-esque type of thing. And then these beautiful colors. So if you guys want me to do a makeup look on this, then let me know as well. That is everything I got from Sephora. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you tried any of these products and what products you want me to try next on my channel. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.